In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Coinbase. So to do this, first just have your Kraken and Coinbase open, and once that's the case, what you want to go and do first is on Kraken go to your portfolio, whether you are using the app or website, and first just click on withdrawal, or if you're using the mobile app you want to click transfer and then withdrawal. From there go to crypto and just select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Coinbase. So I'll be using Solana, which I have about 20 euros of, so I'll just transfer this to my Coinbase. So select the currency you want to use, and from there you need to add a withdrawal address. To find this, open up Coinbase, and on Coinbase go to Mine Assets. Then on Coinbase, if you're using the app, just click Deposit. If you're using the website, click on this drop down and then click Receive Crypto. And from there you want to search for Solana or whatever cryptocurrency you are sending, of course. So that's for me Solana. Then from there it's going to give you your wallet address. So you can see it's on the Solana network. Now here you have your address, so just click copy. Then in Kraken you want to search right here, so no items match your search. If that's the case, click add withdrawal address, paste in the withdrawal address, and then you can give it a nickname. So I'll name this one Coinbase Solana, for example, and click add withdrawal address. And then after you add the address, you may need to confirm that you actually want to use it through an email that they will send you. But after you do that, you can then choose how much you want to send. I'll just send all of it by clicking on what I have available. So I'm now sending Solana on the same network I had on Coinbase to my Coinbase wallet. Then click review and confirm. You can also see the fee right here. If you want to send it, click confirm. And the withdrawal has been initiated, and now my Solana will be gone from my Kraken balance, so that can take a few minutes, but then it will show up on my Coinbase balance. So that's how you can transfer crypto from Kraken to Coinbase. I'll just wait for this to show up so you can see it works. So here if I go to my transactions, you can see it's still pending, so it can take a few minutes, but if it's pending that means that it is arriving. So that's basically how you can transfer your crypto from Kraken to Coinbase. Now if you're doing this, I would recommend sending a small amount first and then sending the rest to see if it arrives, and then if it does, send the rest. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.